In this demonstration, we will show how to add an application definition to an existing application group. To begin, locate and expand policies from the left navigation menu, then select Application Groups. Locate the application group you plan to edit. In this example, we are using Win, Admins, Approved, Applications. Locate and select the ellipsis to the right, then select Edit. Scroll down to the Scope section and click Add Definition. Click the Definition Type drop-down to select the application type to add. This demonstration will add PowerShell as an executable application type. EPM provides different properties that can be added to define an application. File name, publisher's signature, and location are common properties and are provided as the default. Optionally include wildcards or other regular expressions to match the application definition. This demonstration will keep the default settings to match the file name exactly. To add the publisher's signature, you can enter the value or select the drop-down to search. This demonstration will select Microsoft Corporation. Enter the location where the application is installed to further define properties. This demonstration will map to a specific location on the endpoint, including subfolders. To add additional properties, locate and click Add Property. This demonstration will add an additional property for file description and match exactly to the entered value. Before you finish, there is an option to include child processes. This example will leave this option unchecked and keep the default settings. Click Done to proceed. Verify the application definition has been added, then click Save to commit the changes. Click Yes to accept the notification. Congratulations! You have successfully added an application definition to an existing application group. For more information, refer to our online resources.